Hello guys. In previous video we have discussed kinematics where we have discussed about rest and motion and we have told that rest and motion are relative state. So today we will define and explain types of motion. But starting the types of motions, let's watch a video first. So as you watched in the video, there are three types of motion, that is translatory motion, rotatory motion, and vibratory motion. Translatory motion can be defined as when all points of a moving body move uniformly along the same straight line. Such motion is called translatory motion. So, translatory motion can further be divided into rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. When a body is moving in a straight line, so this is called rectilinear motion, and when a body is moving in a curved path, so it is called curvilinear motion. For example, moving of a car. Rotatory motion. Rotatory motion is the motion of a body about a fixed axis, such that every point on the body moves in a circle around that axis. In this type of motion, the object spins or rotates without changing its position in space. Ceiling fan, wheel, and spinning top are some examples of the rotatory motion. So, in rotatory motion, it is necessary that there must be a fixed point about which the body is rotating or spinning. Vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is a back and forth motion of a body about its mean position is called vibratory or oscillatory motion. For example, motion of the clock pendulum. So, for vibratory motion, it is necessary that there must be a mean position up and the body is moving back and forth or from this mean position. So let's compare these three types of motion: translatory motion, rotatory motion, and vibratory motion. A body moves along a straight line, translatory motion, while in rotatory motion, the spinning of a body about its axis, while in vibratory motion, the body moves back and forth about its mean position. In translatory motion, movement of an object from one place to another. In rotatory motion, the motion of an object about fixed point. While in vibratory motion, the body moves up and down. In translatory motion, all particles of the rigid body move with the same velocity at every instant of time. While in rotatory motion, the motion of a rigid body about a fixed axis, every particle of body moves in a circular path. While in vibratory motion, an object repeats itself, its motion itself. That is, it is a repetitive motion. Body repeats its motion. It completes its cycles. It is measured in term of length. System international unit of length is meter. So it is measured in meter as well as if there are long motion and long distances. So it is also measured in kilometer, while small unit of meter is centimeter, millimeter. Rotatory motion. It is measured in term of angle. System international unit is radian and another unit is theta. 1 radian is equal to 50, almost 57.3 radian, 3 degree. 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree. While vibratory motion, it is measured in term of amplitude, frequency, and period. So amplitude is the maximum distance from the mean position. Frequency is the number of vibration per second, and period is the time which takes in completing one complete cycle. Now let's discuss about distance and displacement. So there are 2 points. So the total path covered between 2 points is called distance, while the shortest distance between any 2 points is called displacement. So this is the definition. These are definition and also main difference between distance and displacement. This distance is basically total path covered by a body, and displacement is the shortest path covered by a body. In this picture, you can see this is the displacement between these two cyclists, while this is the distance. So distance is the total path covered by a body, while displacement is the shortest path covered by a body. Let's discuss the differences between distance and displacement. So distance, the total length covered by moving body without mentioning direction of motion, while displacement. In displacement, the distance measured in a straight line in a particular line. So distance, it is a scalar quantity and it is a vector quantity. Scalar quantity means has no particular direction, while vector quantity means which have a particular direction. The system international unit is meter for distance, and same system international unit is meter for displacement. So both have same system international unit, which is meter. The distance traveled by the person from A to B can be any path. That is, any path, but it must be total path. So the total path may be more in measurement. For example, if there is 6 kilometer distance between any 2 points, and it is the shortest distance. So if the shortest distance between any 2 points is 6 kilometer, so its distance can be more than 6 kilometer, or can equal to 6 kilometer, but the distance cannot be less than the 6 kilometer. So the displacement of the person is a straight line from point A to point B. So this was all for today about distance and displacement, as well as types of motion. If you have any kind of question, so please write in comment. Please like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.